Hello, welcome to SmartBuilder version 3.14. Today, we'll be learning how to create a multi-page template in SmartBuilder. If you've already logged in, you should see this page. If you haven't, please log in. As some of you might already know, SmartBuilder only allows the user to create one-page templates. In order to create multi-page templates, we'll be using the New Lesson feature. Click on New Lesson. Enter your title, template, test, or whatever name you'd like. Click OK. This is the SmartBuilder whiteboard. For those who have used the InDesign Adobe program, the interface might look familiar. To your left are icons that can help you fill your page or modify items already on your page. To the right is your Layers panel and your Properties panel, as well as your Templates panel. And at the top of the page are navigational icons, as well as the name of the page you're on. As you can see, it says Template Test Page 1. At the end of this tutorial, you would have learned how to create a basic multi-page template that you can keep expanding or modifying as it pleases you. Next, fill in the page. You can fill in the page using your text, graphic, audio, or video icon. Click on your text icon. As you can see, a text placeholder has been placed in the whiteboard. You can also add a graphical element by clicking on the graphical icon. You can move this anywhere you'd like, as it suits your purpose. As you can see to the right side, we can see our page elements and properties. As we'll be creating a multi-page template, we'll need to have more than one page. You can simply click on this icon on the top that says Insert Page, or you can go to your Edit button, click on the Page Sequence option. You should be taken to this screen. In the Page Sequence window, you can add a new page, delete a page, move page placement, copy a page, or paste a page. Let's add a few more pages. One of the ways in which you can add a page is by inserting a new page. For example, click on the plus button, put in the page name, page 2, click OK. As you can see, we have a new page. Instead of creating a new page that's blank, I can simply copy this old page and replicate it several times. In order to delete the page 2, click on it until it's highlighted blue, click on the red X button, and click OK. In order to replicate the previous pages and all the content in it, click on page 1 or whatever page you'd like to copy. Then, click on the copy page icon. Click on Paste Page. As you can see, page 2 has been added, and it is a copy of page 1. Let's replicate the page 2 more times. Click Paste one more time, and once again. As you can see, we have 4 pages. In order to edit the name of the page, simply click on Edit Name. Insert your new name, page 2. Click OK. Do the same for the rest of the pages. Page 3. Page 4. Click OK. Simply click on OK to exit this page. As you can see, our navigational buttons are now highlighted. Previously, they weren't, because we only had one page. Now we can move back and forth. As you can see, to the right, our layers changes and our page number also changes on the top bar. And if you were also to click on this down button, you can see what page you currently are on. Let's go back to page 1. Nothing has changed because this is simply a copy of all the other pages, or rather the original. In order to save as a template, we're going to go over to the File button on the left side. Simply click on the File button and some options should pop up. Now, you might be tempted to click on Save as Template, but if you like to have a multi-page template, you should click on Save as Copy. If you click on Save as Templates, it's going to save the page you're currently on. Let's try it out. Click on Save as Template. Simply click OK. Then put in the template name. For example, template page. You can put in a description or a keyword, or you can simply click OK. Your template has been saved in your work in progress under the templates subfolder. Click OK. Click OK. Now, let's exit this current whiteboard to go and see what our template looks like. Click on the X button highlighted on the top of the page. Simply go over to your left, look in your work in progress folder, and then your template subfolder. As you can see, we have a template page. Click on the template page to open it. As you can see, our navigational buttons are not functional. We can't go forward or backward because this template is only one page. On the layers panel, as you can see, it just says template. It doesn't say page 1, 2, 3, or 4. Let's go back to our lesson. Click on the red X button at the top of the page. Click yes or no depending on the changes you have made. In order to go back to the lesson in progress, simply click on the lesson button on the left side of the page and click on your lesson. As you can see on this page, we have our page 1 at the top, on the right side of the page at the layers panel, as well as over here. And as you can see, the directional buttons are functional. Now, in order to have a template of sorts, simply go to the File button, click on Save as Copy. Here, you can put in the new name for your template. For example, Quiz 1. Now, what you're simply doing here is replicating your lesson so that you can have a template for the future. Click OK. As you can see, the name of the document has been changed to Quiz 1. Simply click on the X button to go back to your lesson page. Now, you can see we have a Quiz 1 lesson as well as a template lesson. You can simply fill in your quiz and leave this template test as a template for the future. If you have to create another quiz in the future, simply open the template test again, click on the file, save another copy. Quiz 2. Click OK. Now let's go back to our lesson page. As you can see, we now have Quiz 1 and Quiz 2. We can simply keep copying this lesson and thereby have a template of sorts. Thank you for watching. This is the end of the tutorial. Now that you've learned how to create a template, in the future, we'll build upon this lesson by showing you how to create more interactive features.